Hi everyone. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Move software. Move software is used to create subsurface cross sections, to interpret seismic section, as well as 3D modeling and section restoration, both 2D and in 3D. I will install Midland Valley Move 2016 version of this software. First of all, I will unzip this software here. So we have a Crank file in a Move setup. Right click on the Move setup and run as administrator. Click next. I accept the agreement. Next. You can also choose where you want to install, in which you can select the desired partition in which you want to install the software. So by default the C, my window is in C, so I will install in the C. So next. Yes. Yes, created desktop icon. Yeah, install. Uncheck the launch move, uncheck it and finish. Okay, now open the Crank folder. So in the Crank folder we will change the license file a bit, so open it in the on the notepad. So open with notepad. Okay, so we will change 2000. It's actually valid till 2019, so we will change this to we will replace 2019 with the number, with the year above 2025 from the current time, so right click on left click on the edit, replace, and put in the find what, replace 2019 with, you can put any year above 2025. So let me put here 2050 and replace all. So it will replace all of the 2019 in this license file, and go to the file and save it. Now cross it. Okay, now copy these two files, the LG cbase or .dll file in the move file. Copy it and replace in the C directory. So come to the window, program file, and search for the Midland Valley Move. Midland Valley. Here is the Midland Valley. Okay, and I have 2018, but I have just installed 2016. Okay, and within the bin install paste all the DLL file and the move file here, replaced here. Now come to the and now copy the license file, and now once again go to that Medallion Valley Move folder 2016 and the license file, paste it within this license file, paste here. Alright, okay, cross it. Now you have installed Move software and it will show on the desktop. So here it is also showing the desktop, and you can search here Move. You can also search here and double click it.